Hello, in this video we'll be discussing about the product hunting for Amazon wholesale FBA using the tool called Keepa. So let's get started. Sales rank should be maximum 60,000. That's BSR should be 60,000 maximum. Now next option is now we don't need to fill all these options. As you can see, we will fill only those options which are relevant to the wholesale model only. Next option is let's see, furnished collect price, trading in. Now we need to choose category. So whatever category you wanna work in, you select that category. For example, I select the collect the toys and home improvements category. Now next option is new offer. New offer count mean number of sellers. So number of sellers should be maximum 4. Buy box seller. Buy box seller third party, because we don't need Amazon. By condition, seller, product type, we don't need the digital product. Also variations, we don't need variations. And what else? Sales drops, ratings. Actually, the ratings should be 4 max. Should be minimum 4, maximum, sorry, minimum 4 and maximum 5. And review count should be minimum 100 for our wholesale model. Now availability of Amazon offer. Amazon offer exists. We don't need Amazon as a seller, and we don't need pre-order. Pre-order, we don't need pre-order and back order also. Number of dimensions. In dimensions we consider weight up to 2 kg, that is 2000 grams. Additional switches, we disable the trade-in eligible option. So trade-in eligible, select as no. That's it. So we have 61 products that meets with our criteria for Amazon wholesale FBA. So click on this button, find the products. That's it. So these are the 61 products on Amazon which different sellers are selling it, and which meet our criteria